In 2005, when I assumed the office, I must say we were proud of one gold medal by the late Kibua. And we are proud of 400 million at the budget line for that part. I couldn't count all, but at least I counted 48 gold medals without counting the silver and the bronze. I think that is a great achievement. Initiated programs for sports facilities development, such as the redesigning rehabilitation of 6th regional stadia.
And I want to salute you for the achievements registered during your tenure as Minister of State for Sports. I can only say that you have set a strong foundation, and my work would be to build on that strong foundation you have set as Minister of State for Sport. And I want to promise you that with the cooperation of the technical team and our vision bearer, the Honorable Mama, we should be able to deliver sport subsector to another level.